this is the Madison Park Marina. This is the king size, and it fits really, really nice. This comes with the Seersucker comforter. That's what it looks like close up. Very pretty. The comforter, which just measures a 104 by 92. So it's a down alternative. The Seersucker stripes, and if you just want the plain blue, you can reverse it. It has the 2 king shams in blue, also these 2 shams, which I'm not using, in the stripe pattern. It has the 2 decorative pillows, and you can fluff those 2 decorative pillows up by tossing them in the dryer for just 5 minutes. This is definitely an all-season setup. The comforter, you can use it solo most of the year. It is very light in the summer, but cozy and warm for that winter boost. I always do enjoy these Madison Park products. Their quality is hands down, and even my dog loves this set. But why I love it? I love the 2 looks, the baby blue on one side, the Seersucker stripes on the other. I love the coastal pattern. That is my style. Bright without loud prints. And I love the Easy Care microfiber because my pups do come in the room sometimes and they do get stuff dirty. I can just toss this in the wash and it comes out good. But would I buy it again? Yep. A fast, cohesive upgrade with real calm coastal color, year-round versatility. This is the Marina 8-piece set, and it is an easy, easy win.